Good morning, everyone. Today I will explain project presentation by Group 5. Next slide, please. Okay, so before we start the presentation, I will introduce our team. My name is Ahmad Ridho Rezekin, and my friend name is Bunga Gembira, and the last one is Prima Praba Firdaus. Okay, next slide. Okay, and I will explain the tree. We use a name of species. We use a tree. What is name? Pohon Dewan. And name of species, the family is Moraceae, and the genus is Ficus, and the species is Benjamina. Next slide. So the introduction. Student instrumental engineering. What identification do documentation tree and when? Is 17 June 2025. Where is where President University? Why? To understand the plan, ecological role, and potential application in sustainable industrial practice inspired by nature. Oh, direct observation, documentation, and analysis. Next slide, please. Okay, the observation description leaf. The leaf are broad, smooth, and glossy with a prominent pinnate Venetian pattern. They have an elliptical to oval shape, tapering to a pointed tip. The leaves are arranged alternately along the branches. At the time of observation, the tree did not bear visible flower or fruit. The leaf reflect sunlight clearly due to their waxy surface, suggesting water retention properties suitable for tropical climates. And next slide. And the plants around the tree. Plants around the tree have elephant grass and ornamental tree. Okay, next slide.
Observation describes aerial roots. The tree exhibits several distinct aerial roots hanging from its main branch and trunk, especially visible in the lower central portion of the tree. The roots are long, thin, and brown, descending vertically toward the ground. Some of the aerial roots have rhizome and thickened, indicating their transition into and supportive environment that promotes their growth. Functionally, these aerial roots provide structural support to the wide spreading canopy, allowing the tree to expand horizontally while maintaining foliage, indicating it is in healthy condition. We can see from the picture some are still hanging in the air and some have reached the soil and have started to thicken, turning into secondary support trunks.
Rima, I think it's your presentation.
Okay, actually the question interaction between the Dewan tree and surrounding grass. The first one is nutrients. The Dewan tree and the surrounding grass compete for essential soil nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Since it has extension in the root system, it cannot absorb nutrient more efficiently, potentially limiting the availability for the grass around its base. The second is water. In dry condition limit rainfall for water intensive. The Dewan tree, with its sharp root network including area root that develop into the growth supporting roots, is capable of accessing deeper water reservoirs, while the shallow water grass may suffer from reduced moisture, leading to slower growth or browning. And the last is sunlight. The wet canopy of the Dewan tree casts a significant shadow, especially around its strongest distance setting can reduce the amount of sunlight that reaches the grass below, enabling its ability to perform photosynthesis efficiently. As a result, grass under the canopy might grow sparse or not at all, creating fatty as best soil they are. Next slide. Okay. Observation description branches or expand the observation description branches. And the first is the branches are woody and spread widely, growing both upward and outward. The second is their upper strong and highly branches supporting the dense foliage. And the third is this structure creates a broad canopy providing ample shade and mild protection from rain. And the last is the bracing pattern contribute to the tree's ability to thrive in open space. Next slide.
Okay, the three species identification. These for the observed feature leaf steep, aerial roots, branching style. These three closely resemble Ficus benjamina, weeping fig, and it's likely belong to the Morsaceae family, which include banyan and fig trees. Okay, next.
Next slide. Okay. Benefit of the Dewan tree. And the first is set is desert levels profit equals city areas. And the second is air purification, absorb CO2, release O2, and filters pollutants. And the third is noise reduction, help reduce sorting noise And the fourth is wildlife habitat, a home for birds and increase. And the last is aesthetic value, enhances the beauty and comfort of the environment. Next slide. Okay, the correspond the conclusion. The Dewan tree likely Ficus benjamina from the Morica family. Its habitat distinct characteristics are dense, glossy green leaf with spreading woody branches and visible area root. The feature not only contribute to its aesthetic and environmental value, but also provide practical benefit, like shade and microclimate regulation. While the tree is open urban areas and enhance the landscape, proper road management is essential to prevent structural damage to surrounding infrastructure. Overall, the Dewan tree is a release and beneficial species well suited for the tropical urban environment.
Okay, that's all from our group, and I will say thank you for your attention. Thank you.